Hi, everyone. Today, Thomas and I are going out for lunch. Are you ready, Thomas?
Yep. I just need my keys.
Okay. Where are they?
That's a good question.
You don't know where your keys are?
I know where they are. I just don't know where they are right now.
That means you don't know where they are.
Details, Mellori, details.
Come on, let's help Thomas find his keys.
Have you seen my keys?
No. Where did you put them?
I thought I put them on the table.
Did you check your pockets?
I'm checking them now. Nope, they're not here.
What about the sofa?
Good idea. Not here either.
Did you leave them in the kitchen?
Maybe. I'll check. They're not in the kitchen.
Thomas, where did you have them last?
I had them when I came home yesterday.
And what did you do when you came inside?
I put down my phone, took off my jacket, and...
Thomas?
Oh, hi, May.
Are you looking for something?
Yes, I can't find my keys anywhere.
Your keys.
Yeah, I've looked everywhere.
Thomas, what's hanging from your belt?
My belt? Oh,
You found them.
they were with me the whole time.
At least you know where they are now.
Yeah, now let's go before I lose them again.
Good idea. Poor Thomas. But we heard some very useful everyday English.
And we learned something else.
What's that?
Always check your belt.
Okay, Thomas, let's practice. If you can't find something, you can ask, "Have you seen my keys?"
Or you can say, I can't find my keys.
And if you're helping someone, you can ask, "Where did you put them?"
Or, did you check your pockets?
Great. Try using these phrases the next time you can't find something.
And if you enjoyed learning English with us, subscribe to Mellori English Academy.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.